Campbell's soups are a familiar sight in kitchens worldwide, but few people think about how. These iconic products go from raw ingredients to the ready-to-eat cans on store shelves. The production process combines careful ingredient selection, modern technology, and rigorous quality control to create a product that is safe, flavorful, and consistent every time. It all begins at the farm. Campbell sources vegetables, meats, grains, and spices from carefully selected farms and suppliers. The company works closely with growers to ensure that produce is harvested at peak ripeness, meats are raised humanely and safely, and all ingredients meet strict quality standards. This early stage is critical because the taste, texture, and nutritional value of the soup depend on the freshness and quality of the raw materials. When the ingredients arrive at the factory, the first step is inspection and cleaning. Vegetables like carrots, potatoes, peas, and celery are washed thoroughly to remove dirt, pesticides, and any foreign particles. Machines remove stems, leaves, or damaged portions too. Ensure only the best produce is used. Meats, poultry, or seafood are inspected for quality and safety and portion according to recipe specifications. Grains such as pasta, barley, or rice are checked for size, moisture content, and consistency. Even spices and seasonings are carefully measured and tested to maintain the flavor profile that Campbell's soups are known for. This attention to detail ensures that the final product is consistent in taste, texture, and appearance. After cleaning, ingredients are prepared for cooking. Vegetables may be chopped, diced, or sliced, while meats are cut into precise portions. Grains are measured to the exact amount required for each recipe. Each ingredient is prepared according to standardized recipes that have been perfected over decades to maintain consistent flavor and texture. The preparation stage is crucial because even distribution of ingredients during cooking affects the quality of the soup. Large industrial mixers combine certain components ahead of cooking to ensure that flavors meld together properly. Cooking is the next stage, and it is carefully controlled to ensure both safety and taste. Campbell's soups are typically cooked in massive industrial kettles or steam-jacketed cooking vessels capable of handling thousands of gallons at a time. Water, stock, or broth is added, along with prepared ingredients. The mixture is heated to precise temperatures, and the cooking time is carefully monitored to maintain the integrity of vegetables, meat, and grains. Vegetables are softened without becoming mushy, meats are fully cooked and tender, and grains or pasta reach the correct consistency. Continuous stirring with mechanical paddles prevents sticking and ensures even heat distribution, creating a uniform, flavorful product. During cooking, spices and seasonings are added in stages to develop depth of flavor. Some soups undergo multiple cooking stages, partially cooking certain ingredients before. Combining them with others allows each component to retain its distinct taste and texture, while blending harmoniously into the final product. Chefs and food scientists carefully monitor flavor, aroma, and color throughout the cooking process. Small sample batches are tasted and adjusted if needed, ensuring that every can delivers the iconic Campbell's flavor consumers expect. Once cooking is complete, the soup is cooled slightly before undergoing quality checks. Sample portions are tested for taste, consistency, and texture. Microbiological tests confirm that the product is safe to eat and free from harmful bacteria or other contaminants. Adjustments may be made to seasoning or ingredient proportions to achieve the desired flavor profile. These quality control steps are crucial because even minor variations in cooking temperature or ingredient ratios can affect the final product's taste and appearance. Only after passing these rigorous checks does the soup proceed to canning. Canning is an essential part of soup production. Pre-sterilized metal cans are used to hold the soup. Modern automated machinery fills each can with the precise amount of soup, ensuring that solid ingredients and broth are evenly distributed. The cans are then sealed with airtight lids, creating a vacuum that preserves the soup without the need for refrigeration. Proper sealing prevents contamination and maintains freshness for months or even years. Every can is inspected for proper fill, seal integrity, and appearance before sterilization. Sterilization is the next critical step. The filled cans are heated in large pressure cookers or retorts at high temperatures to destroy any bacteria, yeasts, or molds that could spoil the product. This heat treatment ensures that the soup is safe for consumption while retaining flavor, color, and texture. The process requires careful monitoring because overcooking could damage delicate ingredients, while undercooking would compromise safety. After sterilization, cans are cooled gradually to prevent warping or damage, preparing them for labeling and packaging. After sterilization, the cans are labeled and packaged. Labels provide essential information, such as flavor, ingredients, nutritional facts, cooking instructions, and expiration dates. Automated systems apply labels accurately and efficiently, while additional packaging, such as cardboard boxes or shrink wrap, protects the cans during storage and transport. The packaging process is designed not only for speed, but also for hygiene, ensuring that the product remains uncontaminated and visually appealing for consumers. Once packaged, the soup is stored in climate-controlled warehouses to maintain freshness, until it is shipped to retailers or distribution centers. Temperature and humidity are carefully monitored because even though canned soups are shelf-stable, maintaining consistent conditions ensures quality over time. Efficient logistics ensure that millions of cans reach stores worldwide while preserving the product's safety and flavor. Distribution planning also includes routing and handling protocols to minimize damage and guarantee that consumers receive a product in perfect condition. Innovation plays a key role in Campbell's soup production. The company continuously researches new flavors, healthier recipes, and processing methods. Reduced sodium soups, organic options, and soups fortified with additional nutrients have been introduced to meet changing consumer preferences. Product development teams experiment with ingredient ratios, cooking times, and seasoning blends to ensure that each new product meets the high standards set by decades of Campbell's soup production. Cooking techniques, canning, procedures, and packaging methods are refined to maintain both flavor and convenience for modern lifestyles. Sustainability is also an essential consideration. Campbell's works closely with suppliers to source vegetables, meats, and grains responsibly, using practices that minimize environmental impact. Water and energy conservation measures are implemented in factories, waste is reduced through recycling programs, and packaging materials are increasingly designed to be recyclable or biodegradable. Farms supplying ingredients often practice crop rotation, soil management, and responsible animal husbandry to protect ecosystems and maintain long-term sustainability. These efforts ensure that the production of Campbell's soups is not only efficient and high quality, but also environmentally responsible. Even though a can of Campbell's soup might seem simple, its production involves a surprising amount of science and technology. Every step from sourcing and inspecting ingredients to cooking, sterilizing, and packaging is carefully controlled to create a product that is consistent, safe, and delicious. Millions of cans are produced each year, and each one reflects precise planning, rigorous testing, and innovative engineering. Consumers can trust Campbell's soups for convenience, taste, and nutrition because every batch is handled with care from start to finish. The collaboration between humans and technology is crucial to this process. Food scientists, chefs, engineers, and quality control specialists work together to develop recipes, monitor cooking, and ensure food safety. Automated machinery enables high-volume production, but human oversight ensures that each batch meets flavor, texture, and appearance standards. This combination of expertise and technology allows Campbell's to produce soups on a massive scale without sacrificing quality or consistency. The production of Campbell's soups also highlights the connection between nature and modern manufacturing. Farmers cultivate fresh vegetables and raise animals under controlled conditions, while factories use precise engineering and technology to preserve flavor, nutrition, and safety. Each step, from farm to factory to shelf, is coordinated to deliver a reliable, enjoyable product. This careful management ensures that consumers can enjoy their favorite soups at home without worrying about spoilage, contamination, or inconsistency. Ultimately, Campbell's soup production demonstrates how everyday foods rely on planning, science, and craftsmanship. What seems like a simple can of soup is the result of meticulous ingredient sourcing, controlled cooking, rigorous testing, and precise packaging. From farm to factory to table, every step is designed to maintain quality, flavor, and safety. A bowl of Campbell's soup represents years of research, innovation, and attention to detail, bringing comfort, convenience, and satisfaction to millions of people every day. From the careful selection of fresh ingredients to the precise cooking, sterilization, and packaging processes, Campbell's soups illustrate the intricate work behind everyday foods. Each can reflect the collaboration of human expertise, scientific innovation, and technological efficiency. Consumers enjoy consistent taste, texture, and safety thanks to the well-organized and monitored production process. Every spoonful of Campbell's soup is a product of skill, dedication, and thoughtful engineering, providing a comforting and reliable meal around the world.